Introducing the Hikvision Entry and Exit Management Kit. Number 1. ANPR camera. This advanced camera employs automatic number plate recognition technology, allowing precise capture of license plates. Number 2. The boom barrier restricts access to authorized vehicles only. By deploying this barrier, security and control are significantly enhanced. Number 3. Trigger and anti-fall radar. To prevent collisions and accidents, the system incorporates a trigger and anti-fall radar. The safety feature protects vehicles and creates a secure environment for all. The ANPR camera keeps a radar on the vehicular movement. The boom barrier takes care of the entry and exit of the vehicles. The trigger acts as a catalyst to manage the system flawlessly. So the amalgamation of all three devices draws a foolproof entry and exit management system.